Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a C program to find the LCM of two numbers. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter two numbers. Then user will enter two numbers, let us say 10 and 15, and you will get the output as LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So since I'm asking the user to enter two numbers, so in our program to store these two numbers, we need to create two integer variables. Let us say n1 and n2. Okay, these two values get stored inside this n1 and n2, and at the end we are getting this 30 also, right? So in our program we need to store this 30 also, so we will create one more variable, max, of type integer. Okay, so now how we can find the LCM? So to find the LCM, first we need to find out the maximum value out of these two numbers, and to find the maximum value I'm using the conditional operator. Max is equals to n1 is greater than n2. If n1 is greater than n2, then n1 is the maximum value, otherwise n2 will be the maximum value. So this conditional operator expression will give us the maximum value. Next we need to use the maximum value inside the while. Okay, so we will use a while. Okay, and we will set flag. Initially we need to set flag variable a value of 1. This while loop gets executed until we get the value of LCM 30. So inside the while we'll check if max mod n1 is equals to 0 and max mod n2 is equals to 0. Okay, so in this if condition we are checking after performing the mod operation on the max value, which is 15, with the n1 value, which is 10. If we get 0 as the reminder, and after performing the modulus operation on the max, which is 15, with the n2, that is 15, if we get 0 as the reminder, if both of this condition becomes true, then we will consider maximum value is the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, so let us try it out. So out of these two numbers, 15 is the maximum. 15 mod n1 is 10 is equals to 0, and 15 mod n2 is 15 is equals to 0. Okay, now you can clearly see after performing the modulus operation on the value 15 with 10, we will not get 0 as the reminder, whereas we will get 0 as the reminder for this. How AND operator works: if both of this condition becomes true, then only control will come inside the if, otherwise control will comes outside the if statement. So now control will come outside the if and increment the value of max. Okay, now max gets incremented by 1. Now max becomes 16. So I need to perform the same thing with the value of 16. 10 is equals to 0, and 16 mod n2, which is 15, is equals to 0. Okay, so we will not get 0 as the reminder for both of this condition. That's why control will come outside the if to increment the value of max. Now max becomes 17. 17 mod 10 is equals to 0, and 17 mod 15 is equals to 0. None of these condition becomes true. That's why control will come outside the if to increment the value of max by 1. Now max becomes 18. 18 mod 10 is equals to 0, and 18 mod 15 is equals to 0. Okay, now again both of these conditions didn't get satisfied. That's why control will come outside the if to increment the value of max by 1, and now max becomes 90. Okay, so like this task gets executed again and again for each and every value of max starting from 15 to 30. When the value of max becomes 30, 30 mod 10 is equals to 0, and 30 mod 15 is equals to 0. Now for the value of max equals to 30, both of these condition becomes satisfied. 30 mod 10 we will get 0 as the reminder, 30 mod 15 will get 0 as the reminder. So for the value of max equals to 30, both of this condition gets satisfied. That's why max value will become 30, and this will be our LCM. Okay, so we will apply this logic to write the C program. Then we need to declare the variables, and the variables are n1, n2, flag equals to 1, and then max. Next is clear screen. Next we need to display that output, print f semicolon and scan f n2. Now I need to start the while loop. Yes, before starting the while loop, first I need to find out the maximum value out of those two numbers, n2. Okay, semicolon. Next while flag return 0, then main function closed. Okay, so this is how we can write a C program to find the LCM of two numbers. So I hope you guys understood this concept, and that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.